A global automotive OEM wanted to increase their overall operational performance and set a goal of $2 billion in financial improvement within a 3-year period. They called and asked if ASI could help them with this challenging vision. First, ASI set up their operational excellence structure that included a simple 6-step process. 1. Build the team. 2. Develop strategic alignment. 3. Build the project portfolio. 4. Determine skills, gaps, and training needs. 5. Execute project work within all functions. 6. Sustain independently. ASI then helped to identify the right people, skill sets, training, projects, and tasks that would allow them to achieve their goal, and then partnered with them to complete these identified projects. Every function in this global company participated, including engineering, manufacturing, markets, sales, HR, legal, accounting, quality, finance, customer service, public policy, purchasing, safety, and research. The results included a $3.5 billion financial improvement in only 2.5 years. Also, since ASI taught them how to accomplish this, they were able to achieve an additional $6.5 billion on their own for a combined savings of over $10 billion. To hear more, please contact